This is my MG Midget. It has a pretty neat stripe on it. And this is vinyl pinstriping tape, which I'm going to use to make the stripe look a little bit cooler. I started by extending the top line, cut the corner nice and square. Then I started marking out for the second line. Here it is from a little ways back with both the outer stripes on. Made an outline for the main stripe, and then I started filling it in. I don't really like how it looks filled in like this, but I don't really have a better option. Here it is with the stripe complete. I was thinking someday when I paint it, I can actually paint the stripe on. I don't know if I'm going to do the same color or change the colors or what. I was planning on ending the video right there, but then it would only be a minute long. So I'm also including a little bit of roof repair I did. I started off with this inside patch, and then tried to patch these outer things. I did patch it quite a while ago, but it didn't really work. I sewed together right here and put a patch over it to hopefully keep the threads in. I also patched the back side. You can just barely see it in there. This Velcro is really worn out, so it doesn't really stick at all. Then this entire back window was completely detached, so I glued that together. And I put a little bit on the top as well. You can see I've got everything sealed shut, just with CA glue.
Am I in the video?
Well, you running away is. It looks like crap, so I put some patches over part of it. And also we figured out that that tire shiner stuff I'd use for the bumpers works really good for cleaning the roof. There's also these little straps that are broken, but I'm not too worried about them. This is how the roof looks now. It's the day before Thanksgiving, so November 26th. And I did these repairs probably a month or 2 or 3 ago. I know I'm really far behind on videos, but that's how it goes. I'd like to build a hard top because this one is super loud when you're just driving. And I think a hardtop would look better. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and see you next time.